What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all guys, this video is only for educational purpose. I am not promoting any illegal content. So guys, in this video we will discuss about can we watch a live ICC T20 World Cup 2021 free without any subscription or without paying anything. If it is possible, then how we can watch and which application is best for that. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on the channel, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all guys, you have watched many videos on YouTube or any other social media platforms, but you couldn't find any best way or best application. Now guys, the question here is, can we watch ICC T20 World Cup 2021 free? Yes guys, it is possible. You can watch ICC T20 World Cup 2021 totally free without paying anything or without any subscription. Yes guys, you can watch live ICC T20 World Cup 2021 free. You should have to use a third-party application, but that's not an optional way. So guys, in this video I cannot show you that application, and also I could not tell you the name of that application because it is against the YouTube community guidelines. I will get copyright if I will show you. Try to understand. I will tell you in code words. Join our Telegram group, I will provide you that. So guys, I hope you understand and you also like this video. Please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.